Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, July 24th. And you can see outside the window this morning some fog, even a little bit of mist and drizzle. And we've seen even some measurable precipitation across the eastern portions of the area, also over in Lakeview, and I'll show you that in a minute. As far as the headlines go, that stubborn trough is going to try to flex a little bit to the east, combine that with warm afternoon temperatures, and we could see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms over the eastern half or so of lower Michigan. Best chance would be across the thumb area into southwest Ontario today. And then we have a really nice weekend coming up. We got sun coming up tomorrow, and we could see a couple scattered showers pop up again Thursday and Friday. Again, very small chances. Most areas won't see any rain, but the weekend right now looks pretty nice with lots of sunshine and cooler temperatures, highs in the 70s by day and in the 50s at night for a really nice weekend. And if we look at yesterday, we had a high of 77 here in Breckenridge, low of 64 with 0.06 of an inch of precipitation, bringing our storm total to 1.04 inches. And the state high yesterday, 84 degrees in Iron Mountain, and the state low, 47 degrees at Ironwood. Across the area this morning, you can see temperatures with all the cloud cover, mainly uniform in the 60s, with the cool spot, 63.4 degrees at Clarksville, where we'll meet you at the station, and the warm spot here in good old Kentucky at 68 degrees. And anywhere from this red line, dash line to the east would be where we'd see a chance of showers. But again, I think the best chance would be across northeastern lower Michigan into the thumb and into southwest Ontario. And again, not heavy amounts, but certainly some more rain possible. If we look at the rainfall here since midnight, you can see 0.14 of an inch at Lakeview and some showers over here in southwest Ontario as well. And again, up in this area, some pretty good showers this morning as well. If we look at the updated rainfall and the target, my forecast was actually met. We had Newaygo with the station all plugged up with some bird droppings, but they got that cleaned out and had a manual gauge there. They ended up with 1.14 inches of rainfall, and again, that put us right into our target with a 14 station average. As far as the satellite view this morning, you can see all that moisture off to our east with that trough. And again, some of that is trying to flex its way back into the Michigan area, as we've seen some of those showers this morning pop up. And on radar, you can see this morning a good shot of some pretty good showers and even some thunderstorms off to our northeast here in northeast lower Michigan. And if we put that into motion, you can see how those showers and thunder showers developed this morning across this area. And again, more will continue to move to the north and try to move a little bit back to the west. Again, so can't rule out a shower at any location in the MAC area, but again, I think the best chances will be over the eastern portions of the state. On the weather map this morning, again, the area that has brought most of the rainfall here over the last 3 or 4 days is moving off to the east. We're going to see a couple of cold fronts move through over the next couple of days before a high pressure system out of Canada brings us some cooler, drier air for the weekend. And by tomorrow, that again, that area not really doing a whole lot. The fronts are moving this way, but anything east of these fronts continue to make things a little bit on the muddy side as far as the upper pattern goes. And then finally, as we get into Thursday, into Friday, that front will eventually move through the area, and then this high pressure system will become more dominant and pushing into the Great Lakes for the weekend, bringing us some really nice weather. As far as over the next 24 hours, you can see with that trough trying to bring some precipitation back into the area, where the most likely areas that we'll see measurable precipitation, mainly across the eastern portions of the area. But over the next 7 days, again, with the system coming in for early next week, probably in the Monday time frame, Monday and Tuesday as it looks right now, we could see another pretty good batch of rainfall move through the area. And unfortunately, any wheat still out in the field, likely seeing a lot of sprout activities, most likely. As far as weather watch this morning, nothing for the Great Lakes. All the heaviest rains are well off to our east. And as far as the forecast goes today, you can see overall we expect a pretty nice day. This cloud fogs will be a little bit slow to move out of the area, but eventually we'll see some sunshine and highs in the low 80s, but that could brew a couple of showers and thunderstorms, and then temperatures in the mid 80s I think for tomorrow, and then we'll slide back into the 70s as we go into the weekend with lots in the way of sunshine once we get into late Friday, but especially for Saturday and Sunday as it looks right now. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.